new for 2024. So did they have the Raids in 23?
They did towards the end, yeah. I think
Towards
they came
the
out
end?
in like September, October.
All right, well, let's yank this guy out because I'm super interested in this tire. Dunlop Trailmax Raid. So when I hear about the Raids, I'm thinking, is this the upgraded Mission? What is this tire? Why is it cool? Why should somebody consider this for 2024?
Yeah, so it's not based off the Mission, the Trailmax Mission, I would say. It's kind of similar to the, they have a tire called the D908. It's kind of like, I think they call it like a rally tire, but it's more so for off-road for sure. It's Dunlop's first tire to have what they call like I think it's high silica. So it's like a additive to a tire where it kind of like, it basically requires no break-in time. Like it's like if you start riding, it's supposed to heat up and it's supposed to grip on everything. So that might be kind of a cool feature to think about if you want a tire that's good in off-road, but can also be good in like wet weather. Michelin's real big on that. They have like the silica compound on all of their tires. So they get real good hookup. That's kind of what they're known for. But
It says here, yeah, unequaled wet performance. That's a bold statement.
Yeah. So that's Dunlop's first tire to use that element, I guess, in their tires. So that's kind of that was one of their big selling features when they first came out.
So I guess in the ratio category, we know the Trailmax Mission is a 50-50, half and half. What would you consider the Raid?
Probably like 70-80% off-road.
Oh wow, okay. So would the Raid be comparable to, say, Motaza's Tractionator Adventure, which is like, I think a 70-30 or something?
Yeah, I'd almost say it'd be in between the Tractionator Adventure and the Tractionator Raw Z. It's kind of like right in between those two. Not as aggressive as the Raw Z, but more aggressive than the Adventure, so you'll still get better performance off-road than you would on-road.
I think for us that love Dunlop, so I've ridden many tires, Michelin's, love those for sport bikes, and I think actually I've done Dunlop sport bike. You get used to a certain profile, but they're diehard Dunlop fans, and like, well, the only thing I had was the Trailmax Mission, which you can do some dirt in. But now there's a new option in the Raid where it's like, look, I want to do more dirt and still have the street option. So I think the Raid kind of fills that gap.
It does. Yeah, you're totally right.